Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a clean vector outline in Affinity Designer with Expand Stroke. This technique is incredibly useful when you want to add professional-looking outlines to your text or images while maintaining full control over the final vector paths. Let's get started. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Now that you have your workspace ready, click on the text or image element that you want to add a clean vector outline to. This selection is important because it tells Affinity Designer which object you'll be applying the effect to. With your elements selected, shift your attention to the right panel. Here, you'll need to click on Quick FX. This opens up a menu of various effects you can apply to your selected object. From the options presented, select Outline. This is the feature that will form the basis of your vector outline effect. Next, you'll want to customize the appearance of your outline. Click on the color picker to choose your preferred color for the outline. This step allows you to match the outline to your design's color scheme or create contrast, depending on your creative vision. Take your time here to ensure the color complements your overall design. Now navigate to the radius option. You'll see a slider that you can adjust from left to right. This slider controls the thickness of your outline, so experiment with different positions until you achieve the look you're going for. Moving the slider to the right will create a thicker outline, while moving it to the left will make it thinner. Here's where we transform this effect into a clean, editable vector outline. In the left sidebar, click on the Move tool to ensure you have the proper selection mode active. Then right-click directly on the path of your outlined object. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Expand Stroke. This crucial step converts your outline effect into an actual vector path, giving you complete flexibility to edit and manipulate it as a standalone element. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clean vector outline in Affinity Designer using the Expand Stroke feature. This method gives you full control over your outlines and allows you to treat them as separate editable vector objects for maximum design flexibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.